Let's learn basic English words. Book, B-O-O-K, book. Kitab. Bag, B-A-G, bag, bag. Slippers, S-L-I-P-P-E-R-S, slippers, chappal. Shoes, S-H-O-E-S, shoes, joote. Table, T-A-B-L-E, table, maze. Chair, C-H-A-I-R, chair, kursi. Hat, H-A-T, hat, topi. Ball, B-A-L-L, ball, gend. Basket, B-A-S-K-E-T, basket, tokri. Mobile phone, M-O-B-I-L-E-P-H-O-N-E, phone, mobile phone. Stone, S-T-O-N-E, stone, patthar. Bucket, B-U-C-K-E-T, bucket, balti. Paper, P-A-P-E-R, paper, kagaz. Flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, phool. Kite, K-I-T-E, kite, patang. Box, B-O-X, box, dabba. Balloons, B-A-L-L-O-O-N-S, balloons, gubare. Tree, T-R-E-E, tree, draft. Lamp, L-A-M-P, lamp, table lamp. Candle, C-A-N-D-L-E, candle, mombatti. Electric fan, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C, fan, barki phanka. Cup, C-U-P, cup, cup. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon, chammach. Fork, F-O-R-K, fork, kanta. Stove, S-T-O-V-E, stove, chula. House, H-O-U-S-E, house, ghar. Door, D-O-O-R, door, darwaza. Window, W-I-N-D-O-W, window, khirki. School, S-C-H-O-O-L, school, school. Market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market, market. Shop, S-H-O-P, shop, dukan. Mall, M-A-L-L, mall, mall. Library, L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, library, kitab khana. Room, R-O-O-M, room, kamra. B-A-K-E-R-Y, bakery, bakery. Bread, B-R-E-A-D, bread, roti. Milk, M-I-L-K, milk, doodh. Juice, J-U-I-C-E, juice, juice. Fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits, phal. Rice, R-I-C-E, rice, chawal. water, 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 पानी. Butter, 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 मक्खन. Airplane, 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 हवाई जहाज. Car, car, गाड़ी. Bus, bus, bus. Cycle, cycle, cycle.